All right, how to fix a failing joint. You can see right here some of the grout is falling out, or it wasn't put in there very well because it's a cold joint. But we're gonna go ahead and run this item. It's a crack chaser. It's a wide diamond blade. That'll give me about a 3/8 joint all the way down, and then I can hit it with the grout bag. So that's what we'll do here. There it is, sweet and simple. Now I've got a nice even joint. All I have to do now, mix up some mortar, wet, put it in my grout bag or decorating bag, cake decorating. See the other cold joints. See, every one of these columns is a cold joint. That one just wasn't grouted well when it's put together, so I'm going to do a little touch up. Here we are, the mortar. You can see why these high-sided trailers come in handy. You can get a lot of lightweight material in here without it falling over the sides. Okay, clean. Here's your grout bag. Sometimes I'll cut a little off to give it a little bigger opening, which I think I will in this case. Now I'm going to run a little water through my bag to start with, so it slides better. Let me check out my mortar material. Might be a little stiff. Let's add a little bit water, just a little bit. Okay. That looks good. See how I got it folded over on the bottom? That way when I load it, it's not going to run out the tip. Okay, let's see how that works. Roll it up right here. Get it down to the bottom here. I like to get it under pressure right here. So as I twist it, it's really getting tight. It wants to come out. So now can just go like that. Had a little something in there that had to get through. Okay, looks good right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a little striker because I want to make it kind of finished like this. Come on, Nest. All right, let's see what we got. We got a wide side, then we got the narrow side. We're gonna go wide up here. Get some of that excess off, and boom, she's a real beauty. Look at that, bam. I just love it. Do something right here, a little something. Ooh. Now, get down here. I'm gonna go narrow now all of a sudden. Get some of this excess off to start. And then just kind of go like that. Oh. You want to get a little excess off first. Where you see too much, get it out of there. So if you run this with the excess, it's going to come out on your edges. It's going to make kind of a mess. So, especially when it's wet like this. Well, there's your wall patch. Let's take a good close look at that. Now if you want to let that harden a little bit, you take a brush like that one and just kind of brush it down. What it does is it takes away these little edges. See that's furred out a little. If you brush it, it'll smooth those right out. Let's take a look. We're up here in the sunlight right here, so that's going to be hard enough to do. So let me show you what I mean here. There you go. It's kind of like brooming concrete. This kind of gives it that uniform look, you know. And we're kind of matching this little. Has a little texture here. Got a little here. I'll just run this on down just to blend it. Oh, yeah, looks original. Now, what we'll do here is move some gravel around like that. Looks like I was never here. Boom. Load it up. Go to the next site. Well, that about wraps up this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.